Hey, I'm back, and so is my green little friend. Yeah, it's just him and I. Everybody's gone to sleep. Aw. But you know what? I got some stats stuff to talk about. Alright, so we last left off doing this jar of beads. We got through the do section. Let's do conclude, and then we'll maybe do another sample problem. Alright, so my conclusion. In conclusion, I am 95% confident I have captured the true amount of blue and yellow beads in the jar between, let's add this up quick. I'll be right back. Alright, so I added 999.7 and I subtracted 999.7, and I got between here and here. Alright, so that's it. In conclusion, I'm 95% confident I've captured the true amount of blue and yellow beads in the jar between, somewhere between 2,600 and almost 46. Okay, there we go. Cool. Alright, let's do a practice problem. Let's skippity-doo over that one just for now. Let's go abstain from drinking. Now, you should always do your state plan, do conclude on these. I did not give you very much room, but let me just write what I would write in a statement, and maybe you guys will be able to pause it and write it all down. Alright, I kind of wrote out what statement. Like I said, I always like to kind of use what they ask for a question, but my statement is I'm going to construct a 95% confidence interval for P, okay, which is the proportion of U.S. college students who abstain from drinking. Okay, so in Harvard, they took a survey of quite a few people, 10,904, and we're going to try and figure out what's the true population, since this is not really the whole shooting match. All right, so let's see. Let's do our plan next. How about that? Okay, is it random? Okay. In Harvard, 2 randomly selected U.S. college students. You guys see that right there? Whoop. All right, so was it random? You betcha. Oh, come on, baby. There we go. Random. Yes, stated. Sure, we'll be extra picky about this, guys. Randomly selected U.S. students. Okay. Now let's put. All right. Independent. Remember, we got to make sure our standard deviation is going to work. Did I select 10% or less of the U.S. population of college students? And, oh boy, I don't know the whole population of college students, but I bet you it's more than 100,000. Right? Because that's got to, 100,000, you know, and a little bit more. So I'm going to say yes, assuming more than 100,940. I'm going to add a 0 onto that. You guys get it? U.S. students attend college, which I'm 100% sure there is. Okay? Random, independent, and then normal. And I would say, yes, I have more than 10 success and 10 fails at 2105 success And 10,0,9,0,4 minus 21,0,5. Oh, of course. 10,0,9,0,4 minus 2,1,0,5. And 8,799. 8,799. Fails. Okay. Alright. They clearly didn't get any Wisconsin schools, right? You know what I mean? Alright, that's my plan. Now comes my do. Let's do this. Let's rock it out. So, what is my proportion? Okay. My proportion is 21,005 out of 10,904. Alright. So, 21,005 divided by 904 is about, my p hat is about 0.193. Alright, now that's the best guess I got. Clearly not a Wisconsin. I must not have randomly done this. That means about 20% of people do not drink in college. Well done. Alright, so here's my, here's how I'm going to do my confidence interval. My best guess, 19.3. Oops. Man. That's what happens when I do things late at night. When I try and do too many fun things at night, all backfires. I'm going to add some wings onto that because who knows, maybe you got a high value, maybe you got a low value. I'm going to put my critical value in here. Alright? Now, I think they said a little bit different. They said 99. Ooh. I need to change that to 99. Alright, thank you. So 99, I don't know 99 right off the top of my head, but I'm going to look, and I'm going to go right to 99, which is 2.576. 2.576 in your yellow sheet. 2.576. Oh, please remember this. 2.576. Alright, that means I'm going to be 99% sure. And I want 0.93, that's a 1 in front of that, times its inverse of 1 minus 0.193, and that's going to give me 0.807, all divided by the total of 10,904. Alright, because that was my whole population size. Alright, guys, I'm going to pause it, do the math, and be right back. Alright, here's the math. Basically, I broke it down. And I got, that guy goes there. My margin of error turns out to be 0.0097. That's a 0097. I know it kind of looks like a 6. So let's write a conclusion. Alright, here in conclusion, I am 99% confident I have captured the true proportion of abstainers of college. Ooh, let's add that in there. Of college abstainers, let's correct that spelling. College abstainers from alcohol. Oh, that's spelled wrong. There we go. To be between, alright, and I did math, 0.1833 and 0.2027. So I am 99% sure this many people abstain from drinking in college. That, ladies and gentlemen, is pretty slick. Okay? I'm going to end this lesson showing you how to do this on your calculator, alright? So we can do confidence intervals all straight up, right on your calculator. So, I'm not going to hide. I'm going to, there we go. Hi! Alright, so basically what we're going to do is we're going to go back to the heart of the calculator. Okay? And we're going to go over to where it says tests. Alright, way over there. So stats and then tests. Now, I'm trying to look backwards. We're going to go all the way down. We don't want to do a test. We are doing an interval. Okay, and there's a couple different intervals here. Lots of, see, proportion z int. 2 proportion, that's what that 2 means. 2 proportion z int. This is chi-squared for those of you interested. And a t interval, a z interval. We are doing a 1, meaning we took one sample, right? If was it 1,000 or sorry 10,000 something. So a 1 sample, so we want it to be a proportion. Z interval, so I'm going to select A. Okay, it's going to ask me X, meaning how many people did I see abstain, and I'm going to have to probably shrink this down for a second. And I'm going to put in 2105. And then I'm going to put in 10,000 right below that. Okay, 10,904. All right, let me blow this back up. All right, so that's what I got in here so far. Now down here, C level, that's confidence level, and I don't want to be 99.5, I want to be 99.9% sure. And then I'll just go down to calculate, and is that what I had? Okay, notice you have your P hat right there at 0.193. And then your intervals from 0.183331 to 20. Did I do something wrong? Nope. That is about right on. That is about right on. Okay. So there you go, guys. Hopefully you've learned. Now, just so you know, AP Stats are going to want, or the exam wants you to show work. So you better put some work on there. Don't just plunk in an answer, okay? So I always advise, at least writing out, if nothing else, write this guy out right here, all right? And then, if you want to, you can come down to this, right? But don't be afraid. I know sometimes this margin of error stuff can get a little trippy, but don't be too afraid to do math. Yeah, sometimes you have calc errors, but your calculator can do a lot too as well. All right, we're gonna end there. Peace out, ladies and gentlemen. Have a good one. We got one more lesson before 8.2 is done. Bye.